Hamster Kombat mini game key puzzle for today. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. We're also providing free key in our Telegram channel. Use the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join the Telegram channel. So follow me as I show you step by step on how it is done. Move the green candle to the left. Move the red candle upward. Move the middle green candle to the right. Then the red candle, move it downward. Then the key, move it to the middle. Then the red candle, move it upward. The green candle, move it to the middle. Then the red candle, adjust it downward. Then you adjust the green candle to the right. Then the red candle, you move it upward. Then the green candle, you move it to the left. The red candle, you move it upward. Adjust the green candle to the left, the red candle downward. Then you slide the key. Boom. That is it. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our video, and most importantly, join the Telegram group so that you can be getting free updates and free keys in our Telegram channel. See you next time for more updates.